Military strength of Islamic Republic of Iran starts with its geographic position, ballistic missile arsenal, field force assets, combat, aircraft, unmanned aerial vehicles, military, budget and spending, paramilitary organization, personnel strength, maritime boundary, rise, and strategic challenges. 1. Geographical significance. Located in West Asia, the Islamic Republic of Iran is the second largest country in the Middle East. Iran's strategic position influences regional dynamics and security. 2. Ballistic missile arsenal. Iran possesses the largest inventory of ballistic missiles in the Middle East, as well as the cruise missiles. The country continues to develop indigenous weapon systems, including long-range missiles. 3. Land forces assets. Iranian army's armored vehicles and artillery include main battle tanks, Zulfikar, T-72S, T-62, and more, self-propelled howitzers, M109, multiple launch rocket system MLRS, Fajr-5, amphibious infantry fighting vehicles, BMP-2, armored personnel carriers, BTR-60, Borak. 4. Combat aircraft. Iran's Air Force operates various fighter jets, including F-14M Tomcat from the U.S., Shenyang J-6 F-6 Farmer from China, Su-22 Fighter from Iraq, Mirage F-1 from Iraq. 5. Unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs. Iran utilizes armed and unarmed UAVs for ISR and strike missions. Abab-il-2, Abab-il-3, QASA F-1, Mahajer-2, Mohajer-4, Shahed-129, and more. 6. Military budget and spending. Iran's defense budget for 2018 exceeded £15.5 billion. Approximately 4.5% of Iran's GDP is allocated to defense. 7. Parallel military organizations. Iran has two parallel military entities: Regular Armed Forces, Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps. 8. Personnel strength. Active service personnel, 52300. Reserve forces, 350,000. 9. Maritime boundaries. Iran shares maritime boundaries with Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, Oman, and Bahrain. 10. Strategic challenges. Iran's military faces unique security challenges due to its geopolitical context and regional tensions.